Organizations that have sort of figured out a way to provide a great level of self-service, as I was kind of indicating here, are really the ones that are going to win. And it isn't necessarily about having live agents pick up a call, but it's having, in the case of today, AI agents be able to take interactions, both voice and digitally. And those agents, or intelligent virtual agents, if you will, can actually take those interactions and solve the problem for the customer. They're just never going to be able to know if you need to staff up appropriately. There's never enough people power in any organization today, especially in the contact center. We don't have the contact centers of old, typically in most organizations, where you've got staffs of people in giant buildings that are answering every type of interaction you could think of. It just doesn't exist anymore. So you're doing a lot more with less. And so figuring out ways to leverage technology that will meet your customers where they are in both normal business times as well as in times of crisis, like outages, et cetera, will be the way to do that. And that's really a part of that planning. But I do really see, Greg, that AI plays a significant role in this. It's less about modality and more about the availability of tools like AI and the agents that come with the AI to be able to that customer experience in a way that makes those customers satisfied and solves their problems.